Okay. Long overdue short vlog, no, ng Escobar, no. I-vlog ko lang yung aking quote-unquote review. So, basically, I'll be saying my thoughts on the parking, toilet, food safety, price, mode of payment, taste, LCIF, and customer service. So, 8 points, no. But of course, this is my personal opinion. Merong opinion na based on na subjective, na merong opinion na objective. Okay? So let's start with the parking. The parking, they have quite a few parking slots, no, sa harap mismo ng kanilang store dito sa Escobar, sa may BF Homes Parañaque. Probably about 4 or 6 parking slots, no. So okay siya. Meron siyang parking slots. Not that much kasi nasa labas, hindi siya sa loob ng mall eh. Pero meron parking, about 4 to 6 slots, no. So meron parking. Okay? Mais naman yung parking, makakapanik naman ng lowered. So sa mga nag-iisip na lowered yung sasakyan nila, pwede naman. Okay? Pagka puno na yung parking, hindi ko alam kung sa pa-parking. Okay, but the toilet, no, yung toilet nila, yung CR nila, I always check the CR, no, if it's clean, kasi yung CR ang aking normally barometer to see whether or not dugyot itong na to, no, itong restaurant na to, hindi. And okay naman yung kanilang CR, no. So dapat kasi about every hour chine-check dapat siya ng crew. So okay naman yung kanilang CR nung chinek ko. Nung time na chinek ko, okay naman sila. Malinis naman. Hindi masyadong actually gusto ko yung amoy na hindi masyadong matapang yung amoy, yung masyadong ma-chemical na amoy. So, very good sila doon. Food safety, it seems okay naman yung food safety nila. I mean, you can do so much sa food safety, no? Kita naman sa labas na as much as possible, kung malinis yung area nila, okay naman yon. And makikita mo naman sa mga crew nila, malilinis sila. Pag tinignan mo naman yung kuko nila, okay naman, no? So, food safety, okay din. Okay? Price. Now, as for the price, of course, obviously, yung price is relative. It's subjective. What may be affordable to me may be expensive to you, or vice versa. What may be affordable to you may be expensive to me. So, yung presyo nila, so makikita nyo naman, no, meron namang mga options, meron namang hundreds lang, merong thousands lang. So, depende, of course, kung gaano karami yung pera nyo. So, kumbaga, umasta ng naaayon sa bulsa, ika nga, no? So, there are items na affordable naman, there are items na medyo mahal, no? You can indulge, no? So, up to you. But basically, the price is okay, generally speaking. Okay naman siya. As for the mode of payment, they accept cash. I think they also accept GCash, PayMaya. And lagi ko hinahanap is yung merong credit card facility. So, meron silang credit card. They accept credit card, which is good, no? Kasi I'm a credit card user. So, we use it first and then we pay later, no? So, credit card. So, meron. As for, hindi lang sila tumatanggap ng cheque yata. As for the taste, of course, this is subjective, no? What is delicious to me may not be delicious to you. And vice versa, what is delicious to you may not be delicious to me. Para sa akin, okay naman, no? Okay naman. Yung lasa. Lalo na yung latter part na tinikman namin, no? Yung talagang gusto ko, yung yung steak, tsaka yung roast beef something, no? Kasi pangalawang beses na namin pumunta. Yung una, medyo hindi ko gusto, yung grass-fed something, yung medyo mura, no? But yung mas mahal ng konti, mas gusto ko yung lasa. Mas gusto ko yung lasa, mas gusto ko yung lambot, aroma, etc. As for LCIF, there are items sa menu nila. Marami sa menu nila na compliant or pwede na sa LCIF dahil steak sila. So maraming pang LCIF, maraming pwede. Huwag nyo lang kainin, of course, yung side dish. As for customer service, generally okay, no? Kasi ang customer service naman depends on the crew. Merong crew na maayos, merong crew na suplado. So sa kanila, generally speaking, all of the crew or crews are okay naman. Okay? So, ang talagang ko lang is yung nung unang-una, no, yung unang beses na pumunta kami, medyo sablay lang sa service simply because may birth pains. Itong pangalawang punta namin, okay naman na, no. Yung una kasi mali yung nabigay sa akin na na pagkain. Akala ko ito yung in-order ko, yung mas mura pala yung binigay, no, yung mas mahal ng konti yung in-order ko. And medyo malamig, no. Yung unang beses na sinerve sa akin, malamig. Itong pangalawang beses, okay naman na. Mainit na yung, yung steak. Okay? As for the tomahawk, ano yan, upon isang araw daw yan bago ano. So, yun lang yung gusto kong klaruhin sa tomahawk na yun. Kung gusto niyo yung tomahawk nila, matry yung tomahawk nila, you need to tell them ahead of time. They cannot cook it, no? Grill it right then, right there. So, you have to tell them ahead of time. Okay? So, that's basically my review, my long overdue review, no? Dito sa Escobar.